In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward a single email in Gmail. This is a handy feature when you want to share an email with someone without forwarding an entire email thread. Let's dive right in and simplify this process for you. First, make sure you're logged into your Gmail account. If you're not, go to mail.google.com and sign in using your credentials. Once you're in, look through your inbox or any other folder where the email you intend to forward is located. This could be your sent folder, your archive, or even a custom label you've set up. Click on the email to open it in full view. Now, sometimes when you're in a hurry, you might be tempted to forward the entire thread. However, to ensure you only forward a single email within that thread, you need to pay close attention to the exact message you want to share. Once you've pinpointed the correct message, glance towards the top right of the email. You'll see 3 vertical dots, which represent more options. Click on these 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu. Scanning through the options, you'll see Forward. Click on Forward and notice how it opens a new email draft containing the content of the email you selected. It's always a good idea to check the email you've prepared to forward at this stage. Ensure everything looks right and that you've captured the message you intended to share. If there are any attachments in the original email that you want to forward, verify that they are included in this draft as well. Next, move to the To field. Here, type the recipient's email address. Double-check the spelling to avoid sending it to the wrong person. Gmail often auto-suggests contacts from your address book, which can be helpful in ensuring accuracy. Now's the time to add any additional notes or context for your recipient in the body of the email. This can be particularly important if the forwarded email lacks context or if you want to provide some personal insight. If you look below the body of the email, there's an option to add more recipients in the CC or BCC fields. Use CC if more people need to be in the loop, and keep BCC for confidential recipients whose details shouldn't be visible to others. Finally, once everything looks perfect, the recipient's address, any additional notes, attachments, and extra recipients, it's time to hit Send at the bottom of the draft. Within moments, your email should be on its way, aiding your communication and collaboration efforts. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to forward a single email in Gmail. Remember, attention to detail ensures the correct information reaches the right person, avoiding any mix-ups or miscommunications. Thanks for tuning in, and happy emailing.